We have a president here. His name is President Robert Mugabe. I wonder, does he know kuti zvinorwadza? Does he know? Do you know kuti zvinorwadza kurara patara usiku hwese parod? No mabana. Ndondibuka ukamundisiroka ukapana vakarara pakebzi vanofuka varara pakebzi vanofuka vandirwadza usingaiti ndada kundikagona kundisiroka kana mabhangi museka nemakasi kana yandozoa ndirakuti ese ari panopera. Nhasi ndoda kuti muone zviri kuitika parod pamabhengi international stock listed banks who have lost all regard for duty of care at the expense of their customers. The only industry that in 2016, when it declared its second quarter reports, every single company in that industry made a profit is the banks. Every single company. Cabs declared over $5 million of profits in their second quarter of the year. As izvezvi my customers akarara panze. Tell me and help me understand Zimbabweans. How? Where is the duty of care? Chirudzi. Kuti my money is good enough kuti muitore, but kana ndakuida mukwanise kundidzorera. And then you can't even defend me. Mwari ndiyo munhu wese. You make profits from charging chembere for mari dzavo. The biggest pension fund in the country is run by cabs, which means upenyu hwana ambuya nana sekuru huru mumaoko menyu. Yet you make profits, share them with government, sponsor government agendas, ZANU-PF particularly, and you won't even give them tea because they're sleeping outside of your bank. You won't give them blankets. What's more, you won't even give them the earn of their sweat. It's not right. We can see you and we will deal with you.